Okay, question 5. The curve S has the equation y equals bx squared plus 6x minus q, where p and q are constants. S has a line of symmetry at x equals negative quarter and touches the x-axis at exactly 1 point. What is the value of p plus 8q? Okay, so if we know a quadratic has a line of symmetry at, a certain x value, what does that tell you? That tells you that the x-coordinate of the turning point is exactly that, right? So for example, the x-coordinate of the turning point of this quadratic is negative quarter. That's a very useful piece of information. Yeah. So off we go. Turning point, right? So differentiate equals to 0, y prime equals 2px plus 6, and of course when we sub in a quarter, it should be 0, yeah? So 2p times negative quarter plus 6 should be 0, yeah? So we solve for p from here. So what do we do? Well, so 6 equals a half p. Yeah? So p is 12. Great. Okay, so now we know p is 12. Then what's the second piece of information? And touches the x-axis at exactly 1 point. What does that tell you about a turning point? That tells you that the turning point has y-coordinate 0, right? Because if you touch at 1 point, then the point that you're touching at must be the turning point, right? No matter if you're a positive or a negative quadratic, it doesn't matter. Yeah. So we know the turning point is, negative a quarter 0. Yeah, negative a quarter 0. Okay, very bad graph, of course, because negative a quarter should be on the left-hand side, but it doesn't matter. Yeah. So this helps us find the value of q, right? Because then 0 equals px squared, which is 12x is negative a quarter squared plus 6 negative quarter minus q. Yeah, and you just solve for q, and then the question is done. Yeah, so this is 3/4 minus 3/2 minus q. Yeah, so what's q? Q is negative 3/4. Yeah, just by solving the equation. Good. So p plus 8q, so 12 plus 8 times negative 3/4. What is this? 12 minus 6, which is 6. Yeah, so the answer is A.